everyone, it is the Lullaby from Zelf's Toy News Thursday, and me, Flosette, from this Play-Doh show. And today we are going to be showing you guys how to make different outfits for Zelf. So today our model will be Stardust, and since she is a light of purple, we are going to be making her a purple dress. So as you can see here, we have some Play-Doh that is purple, and then we already got the shape ready. So what you do is just kind of get it, like flatten it out, and then make sure it looks smooth on the outside, and then try to curl into this kind of shape. And then what you're going to do is just put it on her. You can get it on. Hey, I can't help it. And then you have to lift up your arms. For some outfits you do. Hit. Sorry. It's okay. Oh wait, and then you have to stand up. I just remembered that. The way I put on my dress was I had to stand up. Yeah. So voila. And then we're not done yet because it's a dress without some shapes on it. So we have made a spiral, and we're going to show you guys how to make a spiral. So you just roll it out all the way, and yeah. And then, as you can see, it's really tiny. It's really tiny. We can't even it now. So then you just roll it up. Keep rolling. It doesn't matter what it looks like yet because there's always the other side to look at. Ta-da! You got a spiral. And then the other side looks better. This side looks worse. So I'm not sure which side looks better. So we're just going to put it on right. Where do you want to put it on? How about right here? Alrighty, so there's your spiral and on your dress. Oopsie. Oh, okay. Awesome. So that is the end of the episode. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more of our videos.